Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I got a package and look what it says. It says this package contains joy. Well, it depends on what lovely and squishy, and it's from Lovecraft. And as a lot of you know, Lovecrafts is a website that sells yarn. It also does a lot of knitting things, crochet hooks, knitting needles. Now they've always got a sale on, and a lot of the yarn has up to like 50% off. Some of it's 75% off on the clearance section. Now I'm going to have a look in the bag and see what they've sent me. Now, I did ask them, I did ask them if they had any yarn that they could send me so I could do some projects. So let's have a look. Oh my goodness, a bag full of joy indeed. Paint box yarn. This is a new range that they were doing, apparently. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. I'll just pop the bag there. Look at the shades. The pastel shades of that is absolutely beautiful, and I love it that you get these bags. I've never had yarn from anywhere that's been packed in these muslin bags. Put that there. Let's have a look at this. Oh, look at this. 100% wool worsted superwash, and it's paint box. Oh, that is so soft. It's beautiful. This one is pistachio green. It's 100 grams. It's 200 meters, and it's 100% wool. Look at that. That is beautiful. I really like that. That is amazing. That's lovely. I like that. Now on Lovecrafts you get loads of different brands of yarn on it, and I'll pop that there. What's this one? Oh, look at this. This is a baby double knitting, and oh my goodness, that is so soft. It really is. I like that. Now these are 50-gram balls. I'll put a little link down in the bottom of the video down at the bottom as well. And I will say to you that with the link, it's called an affiliate link. It's not any extra cost to you whatsoever. It's no cost to you whatsoever. But I get a little bit of commission every time someone buys using that link. If you use the link, and every time you buy something from Lovecraft using that link, I'll get a tiny bit of commission, and that lets me go and buy more yarn. I just buy it from Lovecrafts now anyway. So it's a great thing. It keeps my channel running as well, and in this day and age, when you're retired, you're on a limited budget as well. So it's brilliant for me if you use the link, and if you're going to buy any of the yarn, no cost to you whatsoever, I'll get a little bit of commission. Now, so with this one, its colour number is 760, 760, and this one is mint green. It's absolutely beautiful, and it is a beautiful shade of mint green. Look at that, that's beautiful. But do you know something? Those two colours go together. Look at that, and they're similar thickness as well. They're quite a similar thickness. So you could use these on a blanket together. It's beautiful. I'll put them aside. Oh, there's another one of that one. That's the pistachio green. And that's the superwash one. We've got, oh, there's 5 of these. So that's 250 grams altogether. That's brilliant. And the same with that lilac one. I'll put them there. And then we've got, I love these bags. I love these. You can carry your yarn around in them and put a crochet hook if you've got a little bag that you keep the crochet hooks in. If you keep them in that, I'm going to move my chair back a little bit. We can get a little better view. So this one, again, it's your paint box. It's a baby double knitting. This is Baby Lilac. It's beautiful. The code number for this one is 762, and it's a 50-gram ball, and it's super soft. It really, really is. I wish you could feel how soft this is. And it's so pretty. And you put that, look at that, you put it with that mint green. How pretty are these colours? Look, you can mix them all together. It's pretty. I really like that. Let's see what else. I'll put that bag aside. Let's have a little look and see what the last... Oh, look at this one. Look at that. Look at the colours in there. My goodness. Get that out. Just pull this little drawstring. This one, oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. And again, look at that. They match. Even though this one, what colour's this one? This is a peach orange. And that's your pistachio green. And look at that. They match perfectly like that. Isn't that pretty? This is 100 grams as well. Do you know what? Look at that yellow. Look at that. What colour's this? Daffodil yellow. Now look at this. Look. When you mix that with that, isn't that so pretty? It's really pretty, that. I like that. So if you've got a baby and you don't know what sex it is and you're looking to make a blanket, you could use these colours. Look at that, so pretty, isn't it? And it goes nice with that one as well. Look at that, that is so pretty. So we'll see what else I've got in here. So we'll have a look and see what else we've got. What's this one? Duck egg blue. Look at that. That is so pretty. And it feels lovely as well. And I've never tried this paint box thing. This is 100 grams as well. And this is your superwash. It's really soft. I can't get over how soft it is. Now, if you're interested in the paint box, like I said already, there'll be a little link down in the description. And I'll pin one into the comments as well. Look at these two. Oh, these are pretty. Look at this one. What's this one? Ballet pink. Isn't that pretty? And they go together as well. But look at this. You take a blue, you take a pistachio, and look at that for shading. That is really pretty. They're such pastel-y colours. I just can't get over how really nice it is. And what have we got in there? We've got a yellow one in the bag. We've got another ballet pink. And there's two of those ones as well. But even those, look at that together. Or turning it that way. That is so pretty. I really like that blue. I like greens. I like green colours as well. And look at that. That's really pretty. I'll need to do more things in blue. A lot of the time I don't do enough in the baby blues. Look at that. So pretty. It really is. And then if you put it with that green, look at that. That is so... I'll need to try and do a 2-colour blanket and use these 2 colours together as well. It's really pretty. So I've laid these out so you can see them a little bit better, and you can really see that mint green of this baby double knitting. I've got it in mint green and I've got it in lilac. They're in 50-gram balls and it's really, really pretty. Now, what I didn't know about LOVECRAFTS as well is they've got a lot of free patterns. So if you're buying your yarn, then you can go and have a look at some of the patterns that they do for these, and a lot of them are free. You just download them and it's brilliant, it really is. Now this is really soft, and it's a mixture of acrylic and nylon, and it makes it really tough as well. It makes it hard wearing for baby clothes and baby blankets, but it's still really, really soft, and I just love it. And and these are £3 a ball. It's £3 for this paint box yarn, and I think that's a brilliant price for this because it's really, really super soft, so it is, and I really like that. And this is a mint green, and this one is a lilac. Now I will say to you, go and have a look at the one that's called bubblegum. There's one that's called bubblegum, and it's so bright. It's a bright, bright pink, and it's amazing. If you want to do really bright cardigans and hoodies and things for your toddlers and your children, go and have a look at some of the colours. There's 25 different ones of them. They're not all pastel colours. Some of them are really bright and really strong colours, and the bubblegum one is absolutely beautiful. I really like it. Now I'm going to move on to the other ones that I got with the pure wool ones. Now look at these ones for colourway. I've got them out of the bag and I've got them out here. Absolutely beautiful. Now this blue one, this is duck egg blue, and look at that, it's beautiful. Now what I didn't realise when I was taking them out of the bag, it's 100% wool. I was too excited taking it out of the bag with this. This is 100% pure wool, and it's called a super wash. And the super wash means that you can wash this in a wool wash in your washing machine, even though it's a pure wool. Don't put it in the dryer. And what to do is just give it a wash in your wool wash and give it a spin. And if you've made something, then just hang it up to dry. Don't put it in your dryer, and don't iron it. Don't iron it either. And this is absolutely beautiful. Now I have never bought pure wool before because it's expensive. Now this was £7.50 a ball. It is 100 grams. This was £7.50 a ball, and it's down to £5.62. It's brilliant, and for pure wool as well, and it's really, really soft. And look at the shades you get in it. There's loads of different shades in it. Now it says on it it's a worsted weight. To the people in the UK, that's like an Aran weight. It's quite a nice thick yarn, and it's brilliant for making sweaters, blankets and throws. And in pure wool, it's going to be so cozy and warm as well. And it's really pretty, and all the shades are absolutely, they're dynamite. I love them, and it's a great price for pure wool. It really is. You've got to admit that. I found a website that's really reasonably priced, and that's why I'm passing it on to you. That's what we all want at the end of the day. Something that's as beautiful as this for a really reasonable and good price. And 99% of the time, they've always got a sale on. They've always got like 50% off. They've got a big clearance section as well. So get on and have a look at it. Just click on that link that's down in the description, and I'll also put the link in the top comment box. I'll pin it into there. And I will say, I'm going to be honest, and I will say that if you use that link and you buy any yarn, doesn't matter whether it's paint box, you can buy any yarn, then I'll get a small commission off Lovecraft, not off you. You don't pay any extra for using the link to get to Lovecraft, and it makes me a little bit of pocket money so that I can go and buy some beautiful yarns like this as well, and it helps out a little bit. I get a little bit of commission every time you place an order, and I'll get a little bit commission off it. And so thank you very much. But it really, I've got to stress, it will not cost you any more money. It won't cost you any more money than what it states for the yarn on the website. So please subscribe to my channel. Please click on that subscribe button and also click on that notification bell, and you'll get notified from YouTube when I put up another tutorial, especially some of the ones the ideas I've got for using some of this yarn. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.